Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mr. McWilliams, Plant High School in the 2020-2021 school year. I just want you to know this is an introduction to U.S. history. It's an honors class. I think you will agree that we are living in our most interesting times. Just going to be short and sweet with you. We have a course description. It's a 2-semester course. We'll be studying American history. It is a requirement for graduation. The course textbook we'll be using is from McGraw-Hill. This textbook we've been using since 2018. We'll start our year off at the history of the Reconstruction period, and we'll end up at the new century, or normally right around after 9/11. Okay. Grading. We'll be looking at grades will be calculating by dividing the number of points you've earned with the total points assigned to find that percentage. Not gonna, very generic, as we're going to adopt and adapt how we're going to do things here as we're going day to day, basically. Assignments, including tests and quizzes, we're going to try to do those online as much as possible. I got a little quote here. The difference between a successful A and a B is experience in this class is usually through organization. So what I'm going to ask everybody to have is a binder, a 1.5 or larger for the class with lined paper in there. You'll need pencils and lined paper just to get in the habit of bringing that tool for you in your toolbox. When we do go brick and mortar, get back in the classroom, you'll need a binder and just basically staying organized. What we do recommend is you have some pens and highlighters, a thumb drive, and that type of tools in your toolbox. Okay. We'll get into, when we get into the classroom, how we're going to be dealing with the cell phone policy and homework and all that. But I do want to introduce you with the school district Hillsborough County policies. We're going to be following those to avoid the transmission of COVID in my classroom. Tests and quizzes again will be online and through Canvas. We're going to minimize anything trying to be handed in and out of the classroom, and basically we can be reached on Canvas with my email address, and I'm going to be introducing you to my co-teacher in a couple classes. His name's David Bellis, so we'll have some huge asset as far as resources in our classroom, because some of our classes will have 2 teachers in there, and his name's David Bellis. And we'll have this syllabus out on the on plant websites and stuff once we get started. But I'm looking forward to a wonderful year, as each day actually is creating American history for us, and just can't wait to get back into the brick and mortar classroom where I think learning does its best. So we're going to get through all this, and really looking forward to a wonderful year. And these stressful times does not build character. It actually reveals it, and we're gonna get through this together. All right. So we'll see you soon. Bye bye.